Hi my viewers, welcome back to our center of learning, where each statement made or each video shown is a step to fighting computer illiteracy. Remember, the purpose of this YouTube channel was to create awareness on how a computer is important to us in different aspects of life. So today we are going to talk about the use of a PowerPoint. We have made a step. We are going to talk about the use of a PowerPoint, and as we said, each software was created to help man in different tasks. So we looked at Word and its importance, we looked at Excel and its importance. Now we are going to PowerPoint, where PowerPoint is used majorly in presentations. For example, in a meeting, you can display slides. We have what we call slides, which are individual pages shown in a presentation. So that is basically what PowerPoint is and is all about. We are going to start with the basics of how to find it, how it looks like, how to open it, and so let's go straight to the point. So as usual, this is what we are going to do. I go to start. If I haven't used it or interacted with it, I'll come and search for it here. But if I have used it, it will be shown on the top charts. Okay, so since it has not been shown anywhere, that means I haven't used it lately. So I'll come, I can type it, but again it has been displayed PowerPoint 2016. Okay, so the 2016 is to show the version of the Windows. It's not that it's called PowerPoint 2016, no. So I come and type it, so it will display PowerPoint. We have what we call slides. This is a blank slide. We shall look at its importance later. We have different templates that we can use to showcase our work. We have this template. They have different names. We have this template. So basically this template is in the form of a slide. So this is what we call a slide. Okay, this here is what we call a slide. So I can choose any template I would wish to use. For example, let me use this one here. So this is my slide, and so I had already made a slide for you guys to make my work look a little bit simpler. So this is what we call a slide. So in my presentation I'd made 4 slides for you. So when we go to home, this is the menu bar of home. It has different items. It has maybe a copy and paste. It has the layout. The layout is how the slides you need them to be. We have different types of layouts that we can use. For example, we have a title and content layout, where you only include the title and the content. You get, so you can tap there to get different slides that you want to use. So we also have a new slide here, where you can create a slide. For example, between 1 and 2, I can duplicate a slide and another slide is created, as you can see here. So but I don't want it, so I even taught you how to do that, how to undo. We press Ctrl Z. Then we continue. So each and everything here has a use, has its own use. I told you, if you want to use anything here, you begin by highlighting. When you highlight, for example, when these icons are in gray because you have not highlighted at all. But should you highlight, like for example, I've highlighted the buy, these ones have now come to be used. For example, if I want to put that, I can put it in the center. So if you highlight, that's when they become usable. If you don't highlight, they disappear, like they have disappeared there. So I have insert. We have different things we can insert. You can insert a picture, you can insert a screenshot. We make screenshots here by we say print screen. There's on the keyboard, there's what we call a print screen. Tap print screen and you create a screenshot of your screen being shown on that PC or any other computer. So these are different things we can use. For example, if I want to add a text box, I can come on text box. Yeah, if I want to add, for example, a date and time or a slide number, I come to the slide number. I come here to the slide number, so they will show me different options. So you can select date and time, you can select slide number here, then I update automatically the date and I say apply to all. As you can see, the slide number is here and the date is here. If I want to put it, I can still put it and it goes there. Great. Yeah, so that's it. Then we have different things that I will go on telling you as we create more videos, creating more content. We have in design, you can put several designs. For example, I can use a slide with that type, I can use a slide with this type, I can use different designs. We're not limited. That's the good part of this. You're not limited. You see, I can change, I can keep on changing to put out something that I really like. Then we have the transitions. We can, for example, for slide 1, I can put a cut transition. Then for slide 2, I can come and put a fade transition. For slide 3, I can come here and put a split transition. Then for slide 4, I can come maybe and put shape. You get? So after there are very many things you can use here. So if it's even in the transitions where we set the time to which our slide should do, our slideshow should take. For example, here you can select and increase or decrease. So we have animations. These animations will only look visible if I come to highlight. For example, I can come and use appeal, maybe fade. Then I come to this one, I use floating like that. I use floating, different transition for different things. You get? Then when I come to my slideshow, I can say I make my slide video from the start. So let us look at how the different slides will be moving. Okay, so this is how my presentation will showcase. Get? And when I come to the end, I press escape on my keyboard and I go back to the start. Then we have review, where we have different things where we can add comments like what we did in Word. We also have view, where we have the most important thing, that is the slide master. We shall look at that with time. Yeah, how it is important and how it is necessary. So we can all these things will be talked about one by one in the upcoming videos. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to all those who have been commenting my videos, all those who have been appreciating, subscribing, liking. Thank you very much, and I hope this content is good for us, for our viewing. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.